time to do the room tour of 7446, the aft of the ship. We are on level 7. We'll start here at the door, and there's your emergency instructions and notice for passengers. Tells you everything you need to know, where you're at, where you need to go in case of emergency. Everybody knows about that. And here's your on-off switch. They did update these. Oops, killed the lights. Now I can't get them back on. There they go. Alright, so we're going to start right here in the closet. It is a little compact, so forgive my closeness, but this room has a ton of hanging space. Got 2 closets where you can hang a ton of clothes. Since I'm a solo cruiser, I don't need any of that space, coincidentally, because I'm only on this ship for 4 days. And I didn't bring any hang-up clothes. And then it has shelves, so 3 doors. And you can actually hang more stuff up there. They have some extra linens. And then we'll go right here to the bathroom. Open the bathroom. Again, this isn't, it's got an 80s, 70s, 80s vibe to this room. It's a very nostalgic, older room. A lot of peach. I'm gonna say the color scheme of this room is peach. Kind of pinkish, orangish peach. I don't know, I guess peach is the way to go. Shower. It's got the curtain. Not too bad on the room. Apparently I can sit down if I want. It's got a little seat if I want to sit down and take a shower. I'm assuming this is more of a handicap accessible room. I don't know if all of the rooms have these, but this one does. And that is definitely a first. I've never had a seat in my shower. Obviously, throne, mirror, sink. Again, you can tell this ship's pretty old by looking at the decor in the bathroom. Looks like they have done some refurbishing on the mirrors and stuff because they're nice and clean. There's a little vanity mirror. Lots of safety features, so I am assuming this is a handicapped room. I did not request a handicapped room, but they must have figured out who I was, and it's like, oh yeah, he needs a handicapped room. That guy can't get around. Here's some nipple hangers. I'll call them nipple hangers because they look like they're nipples. 4 of those in the door. Alright, so now to the rest of the room. This is where it gets funky. We're going to start right here with this couch. Look at this couch, folks. That is retro right there. That is a retro couch. I thought that this folded out to a bed, like there was a bed in these drawers, but that's not the case. They're just actually big drawers. So again, a ton of storage in this room. So you could easily get 3 people in here. That doesn't come out or fold out. I'm assuming these just come off. That can have a makeshift bed right there. They had linens right here in case you had another person. And then you have all of these extra drawers here. Obviously you got your dryer, other drawers, vanity, there's some more drawers, your vanity mirror. Hello everyone. Now there's the TV. TV's a little bit small. I was hoping it would be a little bigger, but that's all good. Doesn't matter. Looks like they bolted it down to this piece of wood, and you can swivel it. But that's about all you can do with it. And then I was wondering where the safe was. Well, here it is. There's your safe. Usually in the closet. This time it is right underneath the television. I actually like that little spot right there. Then you have your refrigerator, of course. Empty. It is not a full refrigerator. I can't believe I didn't get free water. I thought I got free water. More shelves, another mirror, and more drawer space down here. So, yeah, man, they got plenty of drawer space. Here's the bed. Little lamps. These lamps are a little old, a little funky. We'll turn one on to see what happens. Oh, and that's what happens. Got another one over there, a couple of end tables on the bed, has little drawers underneath there as well. Light, where you can turn it on and off in the bed. Not sure what these red lights do. I'm afraid to touch them since this is probably a handicap room. I'm sure red means maybe emergency. There's the other one, and then here is the curtain for the balcony. Now I will be right back to show you that, but you can also see the handle, so if people, I guess, are handicapped, that they can grab this and pull it open. So that was neat. Okay, and the last thing I will show you is the balcony. The balcony, this actually opens up all the way, but it is very hot, so we're going to keep most of that closed. Actually opens, it's not a sliding door, it's an opening door. And here is your aft balcony. It's got one lounger, one chair with a table. Here is the aft of the ship. It does slope down a little bit, so I thought maybe it had more of a steeper angle, but it doesn't. So you don't have a 90-degree view of the ocean. You have to kind of look out, but it's all good. And here are the other balconies, so you don't have 100% privacy on these aft balconies because everything's at an angle. So if you're looking for absolute privacy on your balcony, I would not get an aft balcony because people can look around and see you and not have to do that very hard. All they got to do is go to the end of your balcony right here and you can see everybody else's from where you're standing. So, but these little lounge chairs do kind of go back a little bit, so it's not too bad. Alright, so that is your aft balcony room tour. Room 7446 on the end of the ship, aft of the ship, deck 7. Thank you guys. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Is that not awesome? The sunset on the aft of the ship.